How's it going, diecast fans? It's your boy DCS back in another video. So today's car is a pretty special one. Actually I couldn't decide whether to make this a short wheel series or the normal diecast series, but I just went with the short wheel series because I just felt that's good, as this is not a door openable one and it's just 143 scale. So talking about the car today, it's a pretty common car. It's from TATA, guys. Of course, you know the famous Indian company TATA Motors. So yeah, officially licensed from TATA Motors, guys. So yeah, it's the TATA Indica Vista. It's a pretty common hatchback right here, and I still like the design of it. It is pretty let's say curvy. And this car, NOREV actually made this car, guys. They made the diecast model, so it's pretty nice. The box is pretty simple looking. I really like the box design, guys. Just Tata. Yes, that's really good. So why don't we just go on with the unboxing? It has a lot of packaging, so let's just open it one by one. Here we go. Alright, looking good. The TATA Indica Vista is finally out of the box, guys, and this is how it looks. It looks so similar. Of course, it is the TATA Indica Vista, but still, the attention to detail on this is so much cool. You have the Tata logo right there with the Vista print and the long headlamp design. It's so exact, guys. That's so nice. And you have the tiny fog lamps right there. You can't find that attention to detail in many cars. So yeah, the side view mirrors are also pretty damn nice with those plastic rubberish mirrors. And this is how the interior looks, guys. I hope you guys can see it, right? Yeah, that's the attention to detail. It's so damn nice, guys. It has the center gauge cluster, which actually it had. Yeah, this is probably the 2012 model, because most of the latest Vistas had the gauge on the other side, on the steering wheel side. So yeah, this is probably the older version. And this is how it looks at the bottom, guys. Here it is, the TATA Indica Vista. Over here, the Tata logo right here, and NOREV with the scale reading. And the attention to detail at the bottom is also same. It's so much better. You can see the engine right here, and also the spare tire cover. So much good attention to detail. You have the tiny exhaust, and actually it came with the same tiny exhaust from factory. Even the wheels, guys, the wheels are really good from factory. It's so cool, guys. This is how it looks at the behind. Yeah, you have the Tata logo, Indica Vista. You even have those tiny headrests of the back seats. How cool is that, guys? So yeah, sadly this car was discontinued in 2018 April. Yeah, because of low sales, I guess. So that's the Indica, guys. Why don't we just go for the info now? Here it comes. So let's know more about this cool front wheel drive hatchback right here, guys. The TATA Indica Vista. So talking about its engine, guys. The engine, it's a 1.2 liter 4-cylinder MPFI engine. Yes, the multi-port fuel injection one. It's a regular old 4-cylinder. Well, going for the top speed, yes, the top speed is around 148 kilometers per hour, but rumors say that they go up to 170 kmph, guys. That's really a good one. And talking about its horsepower, it just produces up to 74 horsepower, but still, that has a good top speed at least. Well, yeah, guys, there you have it. That's the end of the info, guys, as it is the short wheel series. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. So stay tuned. Bye bye, and also comment your answers down below, guys. I'll see you all next week. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.